Alrighty, so we're getting there. I had to do some modifications to this Yeswelder gun to get it to actually spit wire out, because it was hanging up inside of there. It wasn't getting any grip. So that's the first weld. Where's my first weld at? This is the first one. Started burning through. Somewhere in here is a second one, maybe this guy here. Here's a couple of the first attempts, and then the gun started to fail somewhere in this area here, where it was only spitting gas out basically, and I blew a tip out there. Then once I figured out, what I was doing wrong, or what was wrong with that piece of junk right there, then I was able to put this bead on right here, and then followed by, I think it was this one, and then this one. So what I don't understand is penetration. So obviously this one went straight through, but the one to the inside of that, I got a little bit of heat transfer maybe, but I think it's not hot enough yet. I did turn this down, so I'm in the 14 gauge zone. I should be up at the 1/8, so I'm gonna turn it up just shy of 1/8 and do some passes up in this clean area here next and see what we come up with. It's this 1/8 inch heats up so quick though. All right, and so what I don't understand, well, hang on, let me clean those up a little bit. So that's before getting cleaned up. And then this is what they look like after getting cleaned up. So this was the first attempt here, then that was my second run, and then I decided to try a longer third run. So this one, I actually tried to do the zoot, 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 zoot technique. This one I just purely pushed. And this one I purely pushed. I mean, that's mounded more, but I don't know if I'm not going fast enough or whatever, but it's just piling up a big snotty booger of aluminum, whereas this one's a little lower profile, but it still has, it has some, not beading, not like the dimes and stuff like that, but this one was a straight push again. So I think what I'm gonna, well, and then look at the back side. So this is what I really don't understand is heat transfer at all. So I don't know if I'm supposed to be getting this, or if I'm burning right through it and that's a bad thing. I just have no idea. So there's the beginning of the weld. So of course it's colder and it's getting hotter. So I guess I need to start out just slightly slower and then increase my travel speed as I go across maybe.